The Lake Basin Development Authority has rolled out training on best fish farming methods targeting cage and pond fish farmers. Lake Basin Development Authority Managing Director Wycliffe Ochiaga further says the institution is installing a modern fingerlings production hatchery in Kisumu with a capacity of 3.5 metric tons of fingerlings monthly. Wycliffe Oketch with more details.
Now, the reason why we adopted this technology was to address the shortfall that we have in terms of production of fish locally. And from the data that we have is that annually the demand for fish locally is around 600,000 metric tons. But the shortfall in terms of what we are able to produce as a country, we have a shortfall of around 180,000 metric tons. And so this center will come in very, very handy to address the shortfall, because annually we have the capacity of producing 45 million metric tons in terms of fingerlings. Now, another challenge that farmers have had away from the fingerlings are the quality fish feeds, and that is why we are partnering with Aquarage to try and provide the quality fingerlings to the farmers. Another challenge is on knowledge, and I'm sure from your tour of this farm, you've been able to notice that we have a training center just to transfer knowledge to farmers so that they are able to use the modern techniques in fish farming.